Hey guys, this is Jake with Cali Raised LED. Today we're going to be installing wiring harnesses and OEM switches on a brand new 2024 Toyota Tacoma. So before we get started, this is going to be a very generic video. This doesn't just apply to a 24 Tacoma. This is going to be for your Tacoma, your 4Runner, your Tundra. All the wiring basics will be the same, but as soon as we get inside with the OEM switch, that will be a little different. So with the Cali Raised LED harness, you're going to have a couple things with it. You're going to have your red and black, your positive and negative terminal, a built-in fuse, a built-in relay, and on the end, you're going to have where you're going to be plugging in your lights. Now that we're at the battery terminal, we're going to be loosening some bolts to get a positive and negative connection. Now we're going to be making our connection. We're going to be getting our red positive terminal, put it on, and then getting our bolt and securing it on. Now we're going to be going over to our negative terminal. Now that the battery has the wires connected to it, what you can do on this and right away is check all your lights. So we have a Cali Raised ditch light right here. The end we have our Deutsch connector. We're going to connect it. And with the harness, we have a standard switch, but we are going to be changing this with an OEM switch. But the first thing you want to do right away is check if your lights work. Looks good to me. So what we're going to be doing now, and again, depending on the location you're wiring your lights, ditch lights, light bars, fog lights, it all will be going into the same, and we're going to be going into the Firewall. So we'll show you how to do that next. So now with your relay, for this vehicle personally, there's no bolts on the side, but on many Tacomas, 4Runners, and Tundras, there's going to be some bolts right here where you're going to be able to take them off, put the relay on, put the bolt back in so it's nice and secure. So for this one, we do not. So what we're going to be doing is just making sure we're going to get some zip ties, get this all tight, and just tuck it in a secure location. At the end of the day, you just don't want it rattling around. So if you have it in a nice location, you're going to be totally fine. Now we're going to be running our wire through the Firewall. On this vehicle, it's on the driver's side, but it's going to be a nice little rubber boot. So with the Cali Raised wiring harness, you have a standard switch that comes with it. What you're going to be doing is disconnecting it. This is going to be a lot easier to run through than this. Now we're at the Firewall. What we're going to be doing is running the wire inside the cab so you can be installing a new switch or OEM switch. So there's two different options you have. With the rubber boot, you can either go around it or either go through it. When I mean through it, you're going to be getting a knife, making a little hole, running the wires through. But for this, I find it a lot easier to go on the side. We're going to be doing that right now. So at the Firewall, it is really tight right here, so it's going to be really hard to show the actual angle of it going through. This is a nice example. Basically, you have your rubber garment. What you're going to be doing is getting a screwdriver, anything like that, and pushing it down. We're going to be able to get a wire through. Now we just push the wire through. You can see the little end of the switch, and we're going to now pull all the wires through. Now that we got the switch through the Firewall, we're going to be installing a Cali Raised OEM switch. For this 2024 Tacoma, we're going to be showing how to take off the dash and actually installing it as well. So now that we got the wires through, before we put the OEM switch in the location, we're going to be wiring it to the actual wiring harness. Now with the wiring harness, we expose the wires on each the OEM switch and the wiring harness. We already did is use some wire connectors and put them on in, and what we're going to do is connect them to this side. So now for the wiring orientation, we're going to be connecting our black to our black and white on the switch. We're going to be doing red to white on the wiring harness. And then the final is going to be our green and yellow together to our blue. Now that we have our wires connected, we're gonna be running it through the back and then connecting our OEM switch. So now we're gonna be taking out the blank OEM switches. Right here, there's gonna be 2 teeth. All you're gonna do is on each side, hold them down and then push towards you.
Yep.
So now that the blank location is out, we're gonna now put in our OEM switch. You're gonna be doing it from inside out. Plugging that in, and now it's in a perfect location. So the last part is, you have your wire, now you're gonna be connecting it into the back of the OEM switch. Perfect. As you can see, when the switch illuminates, that means the lights are on. When you push it out, it is off. Okay, now that the switch is in its location, we're just gonna put everything back together and we'll be all good to go. Thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions on the install, please email info@caliraisedled.com, and please make sure to check out our wide variety of OEM switches. Thanks.